Well, either way, there is nothing wrong with this. This is an enhanced weapon homebrew patch right here. This is a no surprise because you see some really weird homebrew setup on like a lot of classes right there. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it as well. If you guys haven't seen it, it's probably you that runs with like the homebrew setup. If you guys haven't seen it, so you think that every homebrew setup is fine. Cringe? Oh yeah, this is Deadeye mains right here. Deadeye mains right here is gonna dice off cringe, man. Dice off cringe. But yeah, let's go, guys. Let's check this right here. A quick ding dong enhanced weapon Deadeye homebrew patch right here. So yeah, Deadeye mains in the chat right here. It is dice off cringe time probably. The fact that he says homebrew is already gonna be like 10 out of 10 best content right here. Let's go right here. It's by Nicola. So yeah, okay. While developers Malgate told us to get good, I just made a build to adjust the class and make some workarounds to get it playable by me. At least he says like playable by me. So it's not to say that like it's the class, it's me. That's what he said basically. At least there is that. The result is I am not getting MVPs, but at least I can help on raids to be alive until their end. I guess, yeah, true. I guess, in a way, kinda. Though, like, it's probably better to accept, like, someone else, maybe, I don't know. I don't know. He makes that brew, he's gonna drink it right there. He's on the big cauldron, man. He's a witch, bro. I don't know. Let's check this one right there. Note, I mostly play pugs, so support is not always an option. Keep this in mind. Doesn't matter. Because, like, most people play pug anyway, so... Okay, increase damage of critical Keen Bluntry instead of Grudge. Crit damage 250%. Wait. So this guy is not even running Entropy then. Wait, what gear set is he running, dude? Because like if he runs Entropy, it's not gonna be 250%. It's gonna be like 300, 305. So it's gonna be 305 right there. What the fuck, dude? Spec 600, crit 1200. Holy shit. Oh, what? We're not surprised here. Because you've seen, like, Sork with, like, Final Strike, Adrenaline, Precise Dagger for 100% crit. Am I right, boys? Because, like, it's important to crit, obviously. Duh. So I'm not surprised with this as well. Homebrew Sork, like, setup right here. I don't know. 89.98% crit, not counting synergy, right? So 99.98% crit right there. Literally wasting every synergy. So yeah, what did we expect? Like there is no expectation, yeah. After some readings, people said Keen Blunt weapon is better than Grudge if you can go beyond 80% rate. Well, with enhanced weapon 3, a backstab bonus, pat 10% crit, I am 99.98%. Well, whoever like he's reading and like he believes it as well, they're a moron right there. 80% the critical rate, Keen Blunt better is better than Grudge if you don't count the negative, because Keen Blunt weapon has negative, surprise. Keen Blunt weapon has a negative, people forgot about that, I guess. I don't know. Oh wait, there is Spirit Absorb there. Yeah, Spirit Absorb over there. There we go right there. With enhanced weapon 3, backstab bonus, pat 10%. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm a bit curious right now. What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? This is just the basic NA right here. Heavy armor, Spirit Absorb, obviously, man, Both of this right here. Yeah, a live eye. It's a live eye, boys. Not dead eye. Dice of cringe right here. Every Deadeye players right here. Dice of cringe already. Yeah, I don't know. Keen Blunt, Ambushmaster, enhanced weapon. Nice, dude. At least he got that one right, at least, At least he got that one right. But now I'm curious right here. So his critical rate is 1200. So it's around like 40%, right? 45%. 75% from like enhanced weapon right here. I'm really curious what kind of gear he's running, man. Oh, no. Actually, Entropy does not count into the thing, right? Probably. Because Entropy is just when you do back attack, then you get the critical damage. True, never mind. So this might still be Entropy. Actually, uptime better than actual DPS looking as well. I don't know. You can justify it all you want right here, but plenty of Deadeye players right here in the chat right now can do like basically uptime with Grudge and everything. Russian spy. Spec classes so slow, I need the Spirit Absorb, man. Yeah, well, I don't know. Disabled people need Spirit Absorb as well. Yearning Set right now. Well, at least if he's Yearning Set, he will be more useful to the party. So at least you can run Yearning Set, you know. Increase speed, armor, Spirit Absorb 3, heavy armor 2. No more deaths on animation locks. Yeah, next step, get heavy armor to legendary level, finish the entropy set. Wrong one, dude. You're supposed to say the Yearning Set. Bruh, Yearning Set, man. Wrong set. He's running the wrong set, man. A clear is a clear, man. Yeah, I heard about that as well, you know. A clear is a clear, man. Who cares, right, if I die or not, well, how much damage I do? A clear is a clear. Yeah, well, buying a bus is a clear as well, so why don't you just buy the bus, man? Clear is a clear. Why do you even waste, like, wasting towns getting all of this? A clear is a clear. I don't know. I know why he doesn't have full relic, because Demon Beast stronger than some relic set. Oh, that guy. Maybe this is that guy, I don't know. I don't know. Hope this can help someone. I can say the class is now playable by a mid-skill player. See, that's the thing though, you know. It's not for a mid-skill player. I don't know, man. Following some engraving popularity list, 3% of data players use heavy armor. I just did the obvious, but I am not alone. Which engraving popularity list are we talking about here? Which one here? He doesn't know what PvP is. If he's talking about Loawa, that's like Rowan setup. This guy's a moron for thinking that's like the actual build. So yeah, Iliakan Gate 2 Shepard. The 3% plays GVG, yeah, exactly. Mid-skill, well, the class is not for mid-skill player, you know. Maybe with this, right? With this setup, maybe you can play it like with your mid-skill. But I mean, like, probably you should play like another class. I don't know, maybe like Gunlancer or something like that. Well, either way, you know, there is nothing wrong with this. This is an enhanced weapon homebrew patch right here. This is a no surprise, because you see some really weird homebrew setup on like a lot of classes right there, you know. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it as well. If you guys haven't seen it, it's probably you that runs with like the, you know, homebrew setup, you know. If you guys haven't seen it, so you think that every homebrew setup is fine. So there is that right there. But it's no surprise. No surprise right here. You know, the crit rate and everything. You see like Sork with like, you know, Adrenaline Precise Dagger for 100% crit, you know. You know, Spirit Absorb heavy armor. Because like, you know, uptime is better than like, you know, theoretical DPS right there. Well, the thing is like, if you don't suck, you could do that like theoretical DPS. If you don't suck, but, you know, not everyone can do it, I guess, you know. That's how it goes. That crit rate is such a bait. It's a massive bait, yeah. Because you don't need this much critical rate. Especially when your back attack is already there. Your like synergy is already there. Party synergy could help you as well if you do have it as well. Like you don't even need that much. You actually sacrifice your spec, which means your shotgun does no damage. And your like critical damage doesn't do shit as well on your like handgun as well. And then like he does like keen blunt as well. But at the very least, you know, he already said it's for playable by me, and the result is he's not getting MVPs. Nothing wrong with that, you know. You know, nothing wrong with that. People can play however they want, you know. This is fine right here. So yeah. And for those of you that like justifies it right there, I mean, you can play with this guy, you know, enjoy. That's like actually like, you know, the beauty of it. It's freedom, you know. Freedom, man. It's Murica. It's freedom right here. You are free to play or not play with like any homebrew setup, you know. You're free to do that. So yeah, move to class discussion right there. How are you helpful exactly? Might as well go full expertise and become a stun bot. You are not doing any damage, man. I don't make a habit out of being this harsh, but you can't get both spirit and heavy armor and fix your crit rate by dropping spec. Reroll to pistol here, you can play like this. I feel like if he reroll to pistol, it's the same thing anyway, you know. He would run Keen Blunt with it as well. Freedom, man. Freedom, exactly, yeah. Spot on with not getting MVP. He's fine right there. So, yeah. Oh, this is from the OP actually. Looks like to most player rates and player value are just DPS or shield and heal. While playing, I am getting another impression. Dead Eyes regardless engravings can keep bosses under weak exposure, burn, and with rune and bleed. Okay. We're also pretty good on Stagger, Vicus Monster Check and Ending Stage, and Destruction, Vault and Armor Blows, regardless of some people saving grenades to LA2. I'm killing my assigned titles and also tentacles, and also saving my Awakening to Clean Gate to Worms. The character can't get MVP, but it doesn't mean an AFK would work the same. I mean, he's not wrong. You know, he's doing his job, yeah. He's doing the bare minimum, basically. You know, I did my bare minimum. That's fine, right? Am I right, man? I mean, I guess that's fine, you know. I guess it's okay. It's not like it's wrong for that to happen. But I mean, like, people like don't wanna... People don't want minimum. If they want, if they're okay with minimum, right? Then what happens is that like people will accept you with like no engraving in like Oreha. People will accept you like 3-3 in like Vulcan. But people never want minimum. They want like basically the best geared one. But I mean, as long as you can play just fine, there is nothing wrong with that, right? So yeah, there's nothing wrong with this. Yeah, basically like Spirit Absorb Heavy Armor Ranger can play with like each other, you know. In the meantime, the other player can play with each other. Either way, it's freedom, you know. You can pick whatever it is that you want right here. But yeah, this is a bit like, you know, not the kind of like person I would like run together with. At least you know he's cognizant of it. Yeah, at the very least, like, you know, he basically said like this is playable for me. I'm not gonna get MVP, but at least I can help on raids and everything. So yeah, he might have difficulty for finding like a party, but he would know why he had difficulty finding party. So never play Deadeye with that build. Can he do Kakul? Not talking about Buzz. Can he do Kakul? He can do Kakul, yeah. If like the rest of like his party can carry his damage, yeah. So yeah, as long as he can do like, you know, well, basically that's Buzz. As long as he can do like mechanic, he'll be fine, you know. Carry it basically. Would you take this character player to go for Kumulanim Garden with me? If I have a choice, no. Why would I? Okay. But in a sense, he will find a party on Kuku though. Well, if he couldn't find a party, right, he would understand why. You know, that's the difference, because he understand that, like, you know, this build is homebrew setup. He's not gonna MVP or anything. If he gets rejected, then that's because of this. So yeah. That's how it goes right there. You know, the fact that he's aware is already better than like a lot of players, you know, because a lot of players are not aware. You know, they're like, no man, I'm doing good, man. I was still MVPing left and right there, you know. Yeah, well, monkeys with a stick is stronger than other monkeys, true, but you know. As long as the guy is aware, it's different. This guy is already better than like a lot of like other people, you know. I don't know. Okay, bootleg build, homebrew build. But yeah, this is the enhanced weapon Deadeye homebrew build, boys. Enhanced weapon homebrew build right here. You know, classic NA build right here. Classic build, classic build. Yeah, but anyways, that's how it goes right there. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. It is time to go. Stop trolling. Stop trolling. Well, I don't know. It is what it is, man. Alright. Let's move on then. Let's move on right here. Classic Deadeye Enjoyer? I don't think so actually. A lot of Deadeye are actually good, you know. Well, here's the thing, like, Deadeye is not played by a lot of people. Because a lot of people just quit playing Deadeye because it's just like, you know, too much effort for it to be good. And a lot of people that do play it are actually good Deadeyes because of that. There are, of course, sometimes you find this kind of Deadeye, yeah. It's not like everyone is good. But it's not like, you know, as common to find them. Well, to find them to begin with is already common. It's already uncommon, so yeah. You must have static party. If static party is okay with it, then there is nothing wrong with it. Yeah. But yeah. Anyways, let's move on. That's enhanced weapon, homebrew patch, boys. Enhanced weapon. But yeah. Moving on.